Today you will take a test called the STAR, S-T-A-R, reading test on Accelerated Reader. It is a reading test that has fill in the blank and short answers. There are 34 questions on the test. Don't worry if someone finishes before you because every test is different. Some of the questions will be easy while others will be more challenging. Don't worry about how many questions you think you get right or how many you think you might get wrong. Everyone will likely miss some of the questions. The main goal is for you to do your best. Be sure to read each question and all of the answer choices carefully before selecting your answer. If you do not know the answer to a question, go ahead and choose what you think is the best answer. Remember that once you have selected your answer, you need to select next to move on to the next question. You can change your answer choice before you select next, but not after. Once you move on to the next question, you cannot go back. If you see a picture of a clock at the top of the screen, time is almost up for that question. Choose your best answer and select next to move on to the next question. If you do not choose an answer in time, you will see a message that says time is up for that question. The next question will appear in a few seconds. You will see a message that tells you when you have finished the test. Select OK and remain quiet after receipt. This does not apply to you because you guys are working asynchronously. You can read on Epic after you finish your test, as well as complete any incomplete or missing assignments that you have from it. So first, you're going to go to your apps page, and you're going to find the Renaissance app. Just in case you're having a hard time spelling it, if you start typing in R-E-N-A, it's the only Renaissance app that you have in your Fort Worth ISD launch pad. Click on the Renaissance with the big R and the words Renaissance going down the left of the letter. Once you click on there, it will automatically sign you in. If it does not, you have to manually sign in. Then you're going to select STAR reading. It looks like this icon here. Do not select the Spanish option. Only select the STAR reading, which is here. This is what the icon looks like right here. Check that your name is at the top of the screen and that your test that you're taking, it says STAR reading. If you don't see it, please let me know and I will help you guys out. Since you guys are working outside of school, you're going to select no, that you are not testing in school. So no, you're not testing in school. Select no for the option for April 6th Asynchronous Learning Day. If you have any questions throughout your testing, please send me an email or a message on Focus and I will answer them as soon as I can. Then after you have answered the question about whether you're testing on campus or not, it's going to also give you another question that's going to ask you to choose your class. You are not choosing the first option as that does not have my name on it. You're going to choose the second option that lists my name as well. Once you get to that screen, it's going to ask you for a password. Your password for this particular test is, let me open up a new tab so that I can type it out for you so you guys can see it. Your password is ADMIN, and it is all lowercase. Again, ADMIN for your monitor password for Accelerated Reader, also known as STAR Reading Test for Accelerated Reader. Again, when it asks you for the monitor password, your password is ADMIN. You must enter that monitor password, all lowercase ADMIN. Now you may select Start and begin your test. Remember, there's 34 questions. You have the entire class period to finish your test for Accelerated Reader. Remember, this is for me to help you grow, develop, and we're going to be tracking our progress as we go further into reading novels through accelerated readers. So make sure that you take this seriously. Do your best, because I know that you are the best. If you guys have any questions for me throughout the testing, if you will send me an email or a message on Focus, I will get to you as soon as I can. Remember also to leave your name under the attendance tab where you see your appropriate class period during your class time. Remember, just leave your name under your posting for your class period only. Do not post anywhere else. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Enjoy your asynchronous learning today, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye-bye.